Namaste students, myself JVN Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class BSc B.Ed JDVC 5th semester. We will discuss the topic biotic community or community ecology. Community ecology is study of the organization and functioning of communities which are assemblage of interacting populations of the species living within a particular area or habitats. Community ecology represents the population of all species living and interacting in the area at a particular time. Each community has its special limits. Sometimes the boundary between two communities may be very sharp or gradal. The traditional zone or junction between two or more diverse communities is called ecotone. The ecotone harbors a community termed ecotonal community with organisms of overlapping communities and some of unique types. Characteristics of biotic communities. Each biotic community exhibits a number of characteristics such as diversity, density, dominance, competitions, and stratifications. Species diversity. A biotic community has producer, consumer, and decomposers. Within these species diversities, some populations influenced more than others in the communities because the share a higher percent of energy flow, growth, and structures. Community is usually described in terms of growth forms. Dominance. Next point, dominance. In each community, one or a few species dominance either in number or in physical characteristics are both over the other species. The dominant species are called ecological dominants. Successions. Succession is a very important in development of communities. Community develop as a result of directional change in it with time. Next one, trophic level. There are three broad trophic levels in communities which are producer, consumer, and decomposers. The food produced by the green plants is consumed directly or indirectly by all kinds of animals. So these are known as consumers. The dead bodies and etc. of both producers, consumers, and decomposers by microbes into simple substances. These are called the decomposers of the community. Elements of the community, trophic pyramids, and the flow of energy, atmospheres, and heterotrophs. All biological communities have a basic structures and interaction that forms a trophic pyramids. The trophic pyramids is made up of trophic levels. The food energy is passed from one level to the next along the food chain. The base of the pyramids is composed of a species called autotrophs, the primary producers of the ecosystem. They they harness solar energy by photosynthesis to make organic substance from inorganic ones. All, all other organisms in the ecosystem are consumers called heterotrophs, which either directly or indirectly depend on the producers for food energy. Within all biological communities, energy at each trophic level is lost in the form of heat. As organisms expend energy for metabolic processes such as staying warm and digesting foods. The higher, the higher the organism is on the trophic pyramids, the less energy is available to it. Herbivores and detrivores have less available energy than plants, and the carnivores that feed on herbivores and detrivores, and those that eat other carnivores have the least amount of available energy. The pyramid structure of communities, the organisms that make up the base level of pyramids vary from community to community. In terrestrial communities, multicellular plants generally forms the base of the pyramids, whereas in freshwater lake, a combination of multicellular plants and a single-celled algae constitute the first trophic level. The trophic structures of the ocean is built on the phytoplanktons. Seen displays different types of trophic level. Food chain and food webs. Because all species are specialized in their diets, each trophic pyramid is made up of a series of interconnected feedings relationship called food chains. Species can be grouped according to where in the community they obtain their food, and groups can be linked together by food chain where each link comprises a different trophic levels. Food chain combines into highly complex food webs. Even a simplified food web can show a complicated network of trophic relationship. Seen this plates food web connected of different types food chain. Aquatic food web and food chain, terrestrial food chain and marine food chains. Primary producer plants, herbivores, carnivores, primary carnivores, secondary carnivores, tertiary carnivores. Elements. Primary producers, plants and algae that make food through photosynthesis. Herbivores feed on primary producers, and carnivores, as like predators, feed on herbivores, and omnivores feed on plants and animals. Seen displays food chain. Her producer, herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Thank you.